贴呢？第四贴呢？
LCD mode.
Okay.
You put the LCD and the glass.
这第四贴。
This is the sticker to remove the film.
Okay.
Yes. You need to be faster in this progress because there will be dust.
Okay.
So yes. You can see here.
Yeah, the temperature.
Yeah, the
Should be
vacuum.
to 95 or?
Vacuum. This is the vacuum.
Okay.
Yes. And we reach this. This we are done.
Okay.
And we will begin to laminate. After about one and a half minutes,
Okay.
it will be okay. Okay, begin to laminate now. So very fast.
Yeah.
And after this is a remove bubble. Can
Okay.
10 to 20 pieces together.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Can you do multiple screens at this too? Is it two at the same time? No, just one for this.
Actually, it is best for one time because it is fast.
Okay.
And during you remove the bubble, you can at the same time also can laminate.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
现在有泡呢。
Okay. You can see that here is a little bubble, so you need to remove the bubble.
Yeah.
Yes. But it is okay because it's very small, so you just need 10 minutes.
Okay.
You need to release the air before you open the door.
Okay.